Yep. Yep. Hey, look, man. Welcome back to the set, man. Well, I am your boy, Money Matt. And today, bro, we're going to talk about these Haribo sneakers. Hey, listen, I'm going to set the shoe aside for a second because I got to be honest with you, right? I bought this shoe with no intentions on wearing them. I'm a sucker for marketing. I can just tell you that right off rip. I bought these shoes because of the packaging, right? Look at that. That's crazy. Listen, that is nuts. Look at that. It looked like a pack of gummy bears, bro. I am a sucker for Haribo. It's got your boy on the box. Come on, man. He on the box, yo. I bought this shoe for that reason. Am I a sucker for that? No, because guess what? Who money it is? Maybe it's it's my money, right? No intention on wearing this shoe. I'm being 100% honest with you. No intentions on wearing this shoe at all. But again, bro, when I got them out of the box and I put them on my feet, let me tell you, you know what? Let's just take it over here, man, so we can get a closer look at these things. Let's get at it. Come on. Telling you, man, I had no intentions on wearing this shoe, right? I didn't. I'll get one of them out of here for now, right? Let's take a look at this thing, man. Look at the detail they got here on the tongue. That joint looks just like a piece of gummy candy, bro. That's a nice attention to detail. Yep. You got your 3 stripes here. Shank plate, 3 stripes. Bruh, look at there. You got the Haribo branding on the translucent sole. This one, the right shoe actually has Haribo on the heel tab. This one has DON for obviously Donovan Mitchell. But yeah, man, look at that. Crazy detail. That right there looks like a gummy worm going all the way around the lateral medial side, all the way around to the front. And you got your 3 stripes there. You got Donovan Mitchell logo. And then on this one, you got the Haribo. Let's go, man. So again, man, I had no intentions on wearing this sneaker until I put it on my foot, bro. And did not expect this shoe to be as comfortable as it is. I'm not a hooper anymore, but I'm getting back into it. Shout out to my brother for the inspiration, because he get back out there and he be on his videos hooping, and I'm like, bruh, I need to get back out there. Granted, I am older than him, but age ain't never the number, right? Yeah. So again, man, I put these things on, bro, and I was very, very, very impressed with the fit. I normally wear a size 12 and a half, 13. I got these in a 12 and a half, swinging for the fences, and they actually fit the way they're supposed to. So I'm good with the sizing on these, bruh. Definitely happy that I copped these. So, bruh, again, I did not intend on wearing these shoes. They were supposed to be just a piece to be sitting over here, and cool, because I just love gummy bears from Haribo and gummy worms from Haribo just that much, to the fact that at my retirement party, the wife made MREs as a gift for the people who attended the retirement ceremony, right? It was actually well done. Let me grab it. So she actually made these right here for all the people who attended the retirement ceremony. And this one is still sealed up. I don't want to open this one, but we had a lot of other things in here, right? But we had Haribo gummy bears in here too. Why? Because I just love Haribo gummy bears. But yeah, so that was the main reason for me actually buying these sneakers. Now, there are 2 other colorways that came out with these. You have the white ones and you have the green ones, which were a friend and family pack. Am I gonna double back and get the white ones too? Probably. At 130 bucks, yeah. For a dope shoe like this, for 130 bucks, and it's something that you actually like, right? When you talk about Haribo and being we gotta change the meaning of sneakerhead, right? Or sneakerhead versus a collector. I'm a collector. The shoes I buy actually have some sort of meaning, right? But at the same time, I actually wear them, so it was kind of hypocritical of me to think that I'm gonna just buy this pair of shoes and I'm not gonna wear them. I'm gonna just shelf them and let them look all pretty. I knew better than that. I didn't know they were gonna feel this good, but I digress. I'm going to double back and get the white ones too, because I feel like I can wear those a lot more than I can wear these. These are definitely going to the toe for sure. But at the same time, yeah, I gotta get the white ones. The green ones are friends and families. Those are dope, but I did see somebody, I think it was Wear Testers, that put a pair of green laces in these. So I'm definitely going to do that too. And yeah, I can probably pull these off as a Christmas sneaker, bro. Just saying. I can probably pull that off that way. Anyway, let me know down in the comment section, man, what you guys think about the DON issue 6 Haribos, bro. Because for me, they are a go. Straight up go. Comfort, the story, design. Hey, bro, it's got a gummy worm going around the whole shoe, bro. You can call that childish, you can call it whatever. But for me, those kind of things actually matter when we talk about sneakers. So, one for the collection, going straight to the toe. You already know. I'm your boy Money Matt here on the set with another sneaker review. Just a little bit different than everybody else. Hit that like and subscribe button on your way out, man. Hit that notification bell too, so you'll be the first to know when we drop stuff here on the set, where we talk about sneakers, electronics, and occasionally some toys. I bid you folks adieu. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Limited editions, gotta be quick on the draw. Gaming consoles without a single flaw. Action figures popping, nostalgic delight.